Are you experiencing TikTok live sound problem and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step to make it work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to go into our TikTok app and then come to our profile right here, as you can see. Now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do firstly is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And by the way, I had the exact same problem myself before, and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix that. So now click on settings and privacy in here. Now you're just going to scroll down until you can see where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. Just going to load here for us. And perfect, as you can see, we should now be taken here. The reason why we need to come to this page right here is because we need to actually contact the TikTok support, because they are the ones that can help us to fix this issue basically. So now we're going to scroll all the way down in here and then click on submit a report, as you can see. So click on submit a report and then you should be taken here. Now you're going to write exactly like this to their support. So write like this: I am having issues with my sound on TikTok live, not working. I need this to be fixed. So basically write exactly like this now: I'm having issues with my sound on TikTok. Sorry, TikTok live, of course it should say. TikTok live, not working. I need this to be fixed. Now click on submit. Just going to load. So just a second. Basically what will happen now is that I will submit this to the TikTok support and I will wait for them to respond back to me, and that should be in a couple of hours basically, and then hopefully this will be fixed. Also, what you can try to do is to actually scroll to the next live. For example, if one live is not working, the sound is not working, scroll to the next live and try to see if there's any sound, like sound symbol in the bottom right corner, and then click on it. If that can also solve this issue, just so you know. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.